Hey guys, we recorded a video today which is now uploading, hopefully. Our internet's not working today. You need to fix it. My mom's over there. My mom's fixing her plants. But, we're going to be... Logan will explain in a minute. We're outside. I'm recording. Yeah. Okay. Turning it. It's raining. That's why I have the hood on. Oh, God.
So, what we're doing today is outside we're going to be playing disc golf. And basically the object of this game is trying to get the disc into the basket. We learned this game from our dad. And he goes to all different types of tournaments and stuff. And
That's where he got all these baskets.
yeah, all these baskets.
He's got like... He won all of them. He did not buy them. He won all of them.
We're not gonna do the whole course. We're just gonna shoot at that one right there.
This one.
And
Like that one.
we're gonna be taking turns. And if you know this game, comment. And you're awesome. If you even don't know this game, you're still awesome.
Because you can learn it.
Yeah.
Okay. Ah, wet.
You might play it sometime.
This thing sucks.
So.
He doesn't like you. Okay, Logan's gonna go first.
Well, that was way off.
I don't even know where that went. Where did it go?
It was way off.
Where did it go?
It's way
Oh,
over
it's
there.
over there. Okay.
That was way off.
Do you want to go again, Logan?
So. Yeah, give me another disc.
No, just use your putter. You're not that far away. It's raining, so.
Oh, that was not very good.
Alright,
That just
here you
like
go.
slipped out of my hand.
Come on.
Okay.
Oh, you got water in my discs.
Okay, we're switching camera. We're switching camera, people.
It's raining. Probably gonna get water on your disc when you get out there.
Now it's Julianne's turn.
What I'm gonna do a little different tactic from what Logan did. I'm gonna do
Forehand.
forehand. Your dad. And here comes my dad. Hi. Cause it's raining. That's my dad. Okay. So I'm gonna do a forehand instead of this. I'm gonna do this. And I'm just practicing it because I want to practice it. And, yeah. That was a little too far.
Yeah, a little bit.
These are a little close.
Okay, she's gonna throw her second disc.
Well, that was my driver, so. Is that a mid-range? This is a putter. Is it a putter? Oh.
That was really close.
Okay.
I almost dropped your iPad. Okay, I'm the farthest
Switching?
away.
Okay, there goes Logan. He's gonna go get his disc. Look how far he is. He sucks at this game, so.
Okay. Where's my putter?
It went that way.
No, it's behind me.
Oh, it's over there. Alright.
Okay.
He's gonna throw it normally. There goes my dad. Okay, go.
Well, that was bad.
It's not that far away. Okay, from what I threw, it landed there. There's the basket. There's where I am.
Okay, let me get my putter. Okay.
Okay, come on.
Okay, hold on. Okay, let me get the camera. Okay, it's Julianne's turn again. This is gonna be an easy. Yeah, that was an easy throw.
Two, Dad. Two. I threw like this. It just curved off of it.
From over there?
No, from over there. Where did my other one go?
It is right over that direction.
It went this way.
Okay, she found it. Oh, I can't see it. Oh, there it is. All right. Okay, so it's my turn again.
Yet again, Logan's not very good at this game. He doesn't throw straight. He doesn't throw straight. Look at that. It was sideways. Try throwing straight, Logan.
A little bit.
There. Okay, we're gonna go back over to where we were. And there are my parents over there. Ding 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 ding. Okay, it's starting to rain. We might just do this one more time. Go. Go, Logan.
I went. Okay.
Bam! Oh, a little on.
I'm trying my putter. Oh, that was
Held on to
far.
It's going to the other basket. Go.
Going to the other desk. My dad give it up. Okay. Okay, hold on. And
I'm gonna try the same thing that I did.
Ooh, that was nice. That was cool. Real nice.
Go. Oh, that was too
Trying
low.
it with your putter too.
Yeah.
okay.
Don't do that with your putter unless it's slow.
Logan, go to your other one. That's far away. I'm sorry, I'm just putting my arms over it so the screen doesn't get wet. Okay. Yeah. I've been recording. The flappy disk. I'm pretty sure the camera couldn't hear you when you said that. Let me try.
Right there.
Come here.
Okay, hold on.
He's running. He's running. He's running. Okay. Come here.
Out of the rain with that.
Hold on.
Oh.
Last time.
Come on.
You're not recording. I'm sorry, I have to do this. Oh, too low.
My turn. My disc is literally like right in front of me. There you go.
Yeah, he almost hit me with it. Did you just ask if it was still raining?
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Oh, so close.
Hold on,
Okay, I'm
hold on.
gonna try one more thing. I'm gonna go this way.
Booyah!
I'm gonna try player's view.
Jen, you didn't get that on video?
Player's view.
Don't drop it.
Oh,
That was really close. Okay, hold on.
so close.
That wasn't close at all.
Oh God. Okay, I'm gonna do disc view now. Yeah. That was just a solo thing I did. Okay, let's go find it. Ding. Okay, found it.
Okay, I want to try one thing. If I can make it from here.
Okay.
You guys all like.
That was a cow. Okay. Oh,
If I can make it.
that's what it
okay,
feels like.
A deal. A deal, a deal.
See?
Okay, this is the last time. If I can make it from here to the basket, right now, you guys all have to like this video.
And if he doesn't make it, like it anyway, because he's a
Yeah.
failure.
Okay, you still have to like.
You still have to like. You don't have to like if you don't want to.
Yeah.
We're just playing. Oh, there's water in my thing.
Because this is a putter.
Okay. Well,
Still subscribe if you
okay,
want
hold
to.
on. Okay, so you can't see me because it's dark. Okay. I wasn't facing the sun. Okay, so apparently this wasn't as long as our Minecraft one, but this one's probably going to go up before because it's shorter and it's not as long and it's not as Minecrafty. But you should still check out the game Disc Golf. It's really cool. You can get to go to tournaments if you get good, like my dad. Yeah. So, in my Minecraft video, I'm probably going to do the same here. I'm going to link in the description all my Facebook, my Instagram, my Twitter, my Tumblr, where you can ask me any question and have us do anything you want, like have a dare, Q&A, a dare thing for me and Logan. You can ask me anything. You can ask me to do anything. I'm being followed by mosquitoes.
Okay, Dad, face the basket right now.
If you like this video, leave a like, comment, anything, subscribe if you're new. I'm being followed by mosquitoes. Okay.